Bismillah wa salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah.
Yeah.
You know the six pillars of Iman.
Mm.
Yeah, the first one is to believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the second is to believe in what?
Believing in angels.
Yeah, believe in the angels. So imagine that there is two invisible creatures are watching you right now and recording your deeds. Are you going to do
Or
sins?
no, I'm not. Um, because I'm aware of the two creatures, I'm gonna try to do more good deeds than bad deeds.
Yeah, excellent. So uh, when I told you that I told you imagine, and uh, I would like to say in Islam, no, this is not imagination. This is truth. You have already two angels who are writing your deeds right now, recording your deeds. Okay? An angel to write and record the good deeds, and another one for recording the bad deeds. And this is the fruit of believing of the angels, huh? That you obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, you know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching because we talked about that before, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the all-seer, the all-knower, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but when you know also that there is right now there is two angels with me, this feeling makes you think about before you do any bad deed. Okay, so uh, we believe in angels because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us about their existence. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us that they love us. The angels loves us. The angels love us. You know, when inshallah we enter al-Jannah, when we enter al-Jannah, inshallah, the angels will receive us saying, Assalamu alaikum, tibtum.
Mm.
Salamun alaykum tibtum. The angels will receive you and greets you, saying the greetings, Assalamu alaykum, in al-Jannah, inshallah. From what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the angels?
Um, from light.
Excellent. Angels are created
Yeah.
from light. So they always obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Unlike human has the free choice to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or to disobey, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will stop him into account, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but angels, they don't have this option. They always obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay? So you are not alone. You are not alone worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have uh, another creations, and we can say they are our brothers in worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So when we worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we are like the angels. Okay? Both of us are worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But you know, is that only the angels of recording our deeds? Do you know any uh, jobs or any names for other angels?
Uh, no.
Great. So you know, there is an angel who was responsible for the revelation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent him with the revelations and the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the prophets. Do you know this angel's name?
No.
Jibreel. Jibreel.
Uh,
Jibreel is
uh,
like the head of the angels, and to whom was assigned the revelation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent him with the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent him with the Torah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent him with the Injil, with all the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He was responsible for the revelation to the prophets and messengers. And we talked before about the first surah to be revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. You remember Surah Al-Alaq?
yeah.
اقرأ
Yeah.
باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Yeah.
Yeah, the, uh, Jibreel who said to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the first time, اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. Read in the name of your Lord who has created.
Yeah.
Okay, so another angel is the angel is mentioned in the Quran. His name, angel Mikael. Mikael. Okay, and this name I think this name is familiar. You may hear this name before, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I do.
You know, this angel Michael is responsible for the rain. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala assigned the rain for the angel Michael. Okay.
Uh,
So he's like, driving the clouds into the place. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will to, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala want uh, uh, to send his mercy and to send the rain too. So Michael, the angel Michael, drive the clouds into this place. Yeah, and also we have another angel which is mentioned, who is mentioned in the Quran by his name is called Malik. Malik. وقالوا يا مالك اقضي علينا. So Malik is the angel and the head of the angels of Jahannam. So Jahannam has angels, or the angels of torment. They call the Zabaniya, the angels of torment, and their head is the angel Malik. He's responsible for Jahannam and the angels of Jahannam. Also, we have uh, an angel, but this is not authentic narration. This is not authentic narration. This was not mentioned in the Quran or in يعني it's not an authentic hadith. But many of the scholars mentioned that the angel of Al Jannah is called Ridwan. Ridwan, the angel of Al Jannah. And also there is another angel in Al Jannah, the angels who receive us and greet us while we entering Al Jannah. سلام عليكم طبتم فنعم عقب الدار. These angels, the angels of Jannah, and the head of them is Ridwan, but this is not authentic. Okay. So another angels were mentioned by Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Munkar and Nakir. Those are the angels of the grave. When the man is, the dead person is, after being buried, they will ask him, who is your God? Who is, what is your religion? Who is the man or the prophet who was sent to you? Okay, what is your book? And uh, also this is angels Munkar and Nakir. Munkar and Nakir. Okay, so we have also the angel of death, the angel of death, and he has his helping angels. This is the angel is responsible uh, for taking souls of humans, the angel of death. And also the angel Israfil, the angel Israfil, who will blow the horn. You know, at the day of judgment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will order angel Israfil to blow the horn or the trumpet to the first one, the first time, the first blow. All the creatures on earth or in the universe will die. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will order him to uh, uh, blow the horn again. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will revive and resurrect all the creatures again, and especially human for the day of judgment. Okay? Yeah. So these are some names and some different jobs of the angels. Can you remember any of them?
uh,
Yeah,
uh,
come on.
the angels.
Yeah, these angels. So if I said the angel of Revelation, he's called the angel
Uh, angel Jibril.
Jibril. Perfect, Jibril. And the other one is Mikael. You remember
Yeah,
Mikael, the angel of
yeah. Of rain.
rain? Perfect, mashallah. And the two angels right now who are recording our deeds. Yeah.
Yeah.
So do we have to love the angels?
Uh, yeah.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah.
In your opinion, why?
Because they're responsible for recording our good and bad deeds. They're responsible for important jobs as well.
Mhm.
In the world.
Great. And also, they are worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right?
Yeah.
You know that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam once said, there is no free space in the heavens, uh, a free space for a single foot. There is no free space for a single foot unless it has an angel making ruku' or making sujood to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the first day he was created until the day of judgment. And when the day of judgment came and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will resurrect them, they will say, oh Allah, we didn't worship you the way you are worthy. We didn't worship you the worship you are worthy for. Okay? So
Yeah.
uh, they are worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the first day they are created, they were created to the day of judgment, and they are obeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they love us. They will greet us in the and when we enter al-Jannah, they will greet us and they will receive us, and they, when uh, we are sitting like remembering Allah like that, like we are doing now. We are talking about Allah and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the belief of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the remembrance. When we're doing the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they surround us. They surround us. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that, and they ask Allah to forgive us. So the angels, and this is mentioned in the Quran, the angels asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for forgiveness for the believers. So there is someone asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive me. I have to love him, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how we believe in angels. We believe in their existence. We believe that they are obeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We believe that they are worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the first day to the day of judgment. And they love us and we love them.
Yeah.
Yeah.